Hi, I'm Karen Bennett. I'm the General Manager of Desert Horizon Owners Association in the city of Indian Wells in California. We heard about Modus from our farmer's agent, and he's a longtime agent. We trust him, and we're always very skeptical here. We had a presentation, and they showed us that this would be a very good idea for us to be able to have this insurance for our owners. Well, the homeowners association shares in the property here. So when there is a special assessment for earthquake damage to the common area, the community, there was no insurance that would cover that. Modus was the first and only plan that I'm aware of that would provide that coverage, would give people the safety of knowing that if there was an earthquake, and we're in a very earthquake prone area, if there was an earthquake, that there would be insurance that they could purchase for their own personal homes that would give them that protection against a massive assessment against 510 owners. This association has had earthquake insurance before. It was a tremendous cost, and they decided that they couldn't afford it. It just was way beyond what the association dues would accommodate. They would be letting other things go in order to afford this earthquake coverage. However, this is individual. This is for individual owners who can buy a protection against a special assessment. Very different than what we'd ever heard of before. And so homeowners individually talked to each other and decided that it was very valuable, something unique, something new, and something that would protect them. Because as we explain to people when they move into HOAs, it's a shared investment. And so when there is damage in the community, everybody is going to be paying for it, even though they may not be near the pool that cracked or the building that fell down. And so it's been a relief for people to be able to have this assurance that they've got protection in that area. I would recommend this to managers. I've been in the business for almost 40 years, and this is a new program. It's an exciting program. It's a program that we've worked with for the last, I think, 3 years, and we've had no problems. We've had no issues with homeowners that don't understand. We have people that are questioning, but once they understand what the program is, Modus has been a godsend for us, basically, and gives the homeowners the option to be able to feel protected and to feel that Modus will be there for them. We feel the same way.